The Q model. Rising to popularity during World War II, the Q model is the blueprint of all Quonset hut models. The Q should stand for quintessential, because this model is the strongest, most economical, and the easiest to build. Starting at 20 feet, its semicircular design makes it an instant classic and one of the most popular choices for Quonset hut homes. You may be asking what makes this such a classic. It has everything you need. Unmatched durability against wind, snow, and other extreme weather, the most cost-efficient, meaning it's perfect for tight budgets, fast and easy assembly, great for inexperienced builders. If you need bulk storage, rugged storage, or a serious hangar, the Q model can deliver whatever you need. If it is strength, simplicity, and savings, this is the perfect match.